All right, guys, it's Friday morning. The stock market just opened and it looks like it could be another ugly day on Wall Street. I warned you this could happen yesterday, and there are two reasons for this. One, the all-anticipated February jobs report hit this morning. I'll report on that. And the second is a massive, massive event that's playing out in the banking sector that you need to be aware of. So the February jobs report hit. We were anticipated to add 225,000 jobs in February. It came in at positive 311,000 jobs. I told you higher was not good because it's an inflationary pressure and it's causing stocks to sell off today. Where are we adding those jobs? Three spaces. One is leisure and hospitality, vacations. Second is healthcare, adding much needed nurses. And the third one are in restaurants. So again, adding more jobs creates inflationary pressure and is causing stocks to sell off, as I warned you yesterday. But the second event, which I will make a video on later today, might be even more important. There is a run on the bank that is happening at a massive bank in Silicon Valley called the Silicon Valley Bank. It could have spillover effect to other banks. I'll report on this later today, so check back in.